Hello everyone. It's been a long time. My name is Love Chisom. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Okay? So it has been a long time. I've not been consistent on my YouTube channel. So I am resuming today. Okay, you guys should just get ready. We'll be dropping our tutorial back to back. All right, so right now, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you what we'll be making today, and let's get started. And another thing is this, please, if you're coming across my video, I have a lot of basic bodies on my video, so please, if I did not start the basic body from the beginning, please try your best to go and watch all the basic bodies that I've made, okay, so that you can be able to blend with us. And please, whenever you come across my video, please try and watch on my video. Click on the like button to like, drop a very sweet comment, okay? It helps my algorithm, okay? It helps me, YouTube to circulate my videos. Please help me. I love you all. Help me, please help. When I say help me, okay? And if I come across any video on YouTube, I always like and I drop my comments, okay? If you notice, I always watch your video and you always see my comments. Please return that favor. I need it, and you too, you need it. I love you. Oh, I miss you. We are starting today. And another thing is this. Try and watch this video to the end, because what I want to say here now will help you. And what I want to say now is this. If you are a beginner and you want to go into ready to wear, please follow my channel, okay? Because me coming back now, I want to teach a lot, and it's going to help very, very well, okay? So I will be teaching you the hacks, the best way to go as a beginner, okay, to run a ready to wear, just a simple and casual ready to wear that will help you as a beginner. Because when you are learning work, I think immediately you learn how to draft, cut, and do other things, so that you can be able to also sew for clients, okay? Even if your classmates, your yard people, your street people, your friends, you can be able to sew to them to make small money as a beginner, okay? Now, until you master the art of cutting and sewing, then you begin to sew professionally, okay? So this will help you a lot, okay? So I love you all. So I'm here to teach more, especially for beginners. Beginners, I'm here for you. Do not panic. I was once like you people. Okay? You're going to enjoy the vibe and the sewing, everything.